Shalom, and welcome to Bible Stories as Blueprints of the Soul, your Biblical Hebrew podcast. Shalom, and welcome to our Biblical Hebrew podcast. Today I would like to open our conversation from a quote from the book of Zohar, and then slowly roll the idea of the term stiff neck. In one of the pages of the book of Zohar, we find Rabbi Chia says the following words to the ashes. And so he says, "Ashes, ashes, how stubborn you are." Did you see a person look into the ashes and speak into the ashes and tell the ashes how stubborn he is? There is a great secret in this speech, and slowly we shall open it in our conversation. What is ashes in Hebrew? Ashes in Hebrew, afar, afar. The word afar, ashes, is written in 3 letters. Ain, Pe, Resh. Those 3 letters in different order create the word nape in Hebrew. Orif, orif. The word orif, nape or neck, is written in 3 letters. Ain, Resh, Fe Sufit. Now, the word for hard or stiff is kashe. Kashe. The word kashe in Hebrew is written in 3 letters. Kof, Shin, He. If we put the letter He outside because it's a feminine and we look into the stem letters, we find 2 letters, Kof and Shin. The value of the letter Kof is 100. The value of the letter Shin is 300. And all together they make the sum of 400. If we put a 0 outside, we are left with the number 4. So what does it mean, hard or stiff? Number 4. 4, in a way, is the dimension of the human body, 2 arms and 2 legs. What does it mean to have a stiff neck? Because every person has 1 head and 2 arms and 2 legs. So in a human body, we find already the relation between the 1 and the 4, the source or the origin, and the development in space and time, which is the arms and the legs. When a person or a group of people are stiff-necked, it means that the head, the one, cannot inspire the body. The body rejects the inspiration of the mind. Stiff neck. The neck is a bridge between the head and the body. The neck is narrow relatively to the head and to the body. It's a very, very thin bridge. And if this bridge is stiff, the body cannot get any information from the head, and the body cannot change its habit. And people could not access the freedom of the mind because they have a stiff neck. To return to the words of Rabbi Chia, ashes, ashes, how stiff you are. Our body is made out of ashes. Without the infinite blow, we could not walk, we could not speak, we could not have 1 breath. The one blows in us constantly. If we refuse to be inspired by the one, many diseases are coming to humanity. One of them is the coronavirus. For more than 2 decades, we have internet as assistance to humanity, and for 2 decades, people do not use it properly. People still continue to bring their children to physical classes, and people still go to universities in physical buildings, and still people traveling to physical places without understanding that a major thing happened here a long time ago, and people are refusing to adjust. Stiff-necked people. So the coronavirus is not a bad thing. It's a good friend if we learn to listen to its inspiration. And there is a great inspiration in all of this. And I hope that everybody on this planet can hear the voice of peace and progress and freedom. So this was our little conversation for today. We wish you a beautiful day and wonderful week.
Thank you for listening to Bible Stories as Blueprints of the Soul. We hope that you enjoyed this episode. If you have any questions, comments, or would like to hear more about a certain topic, just write us an email to hebrew@learnoutlive.com. We are always happy to hear from you. For more episodes, videos, and articles like this, please visit our website at hebrew.learnoutlive.com. We also would like to invite you to join our live classes. Just search for Online College of Biblical Hebrew on Facebook and start learning now with students from all over the world. Koltuv and Shalom.